Hello and welcome to this SQL Fundamentals course with PostgreSQL. My name is Xander and I will be your instructor for this course. Now this course is designed to provide you with a strong foundation in SQL and PostgreSQL database, helping you start to master database management, querying and optimization. In this course, we'll explore SQL essentials using the PostgreSQL database. This course covers creating and managing databases with SQL and PostgreSQL databases, defining tables, working with schemas and ERDs, performing CRUD operations to insert, update, and delete data. We learn how to query using select, where, order by, limit, how to filter and sort and aggregate records, managing relationships one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many within a database. And we start to look at advanced topics like joins and performance optimization. So by the end of this course, you'll be able to confidently work with SQL and a PostgreSQL database in real-world applications. Whether you are a beginner learning SQL for the first time or an experienced developer looking to deepen your database skills, this course provides hands-on, practical knowledge that you can immediately apply. To get started, a basic understanding of programming is helpful, but no prior experience with SQL or PostgreSQL is required. Everything is covered step by step, ensuring you gain confidence in working with databases. You can watch this course on YouTube via the playlist, but for deeper learning, the full course is available for purchase at Udemy. Find all the resources and links in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for weekly promotions, discounts, and Udemy course giveaways.